there! Yes, it's Diday Vlog! Today, it's time for What's in my fridge? Come on in! Ta-da! Oh my god, where is that? I prepared something in here and it's lost! It's gone! Somebody tried to sabotage me. Hang on. It's gone. I prepared last night something and it's gone. It's not here. Someone. Wait. I'm going to investigate. Come on. Hurry! Hurry! Oh! That's mine. This is mine. Oh, and the cake. Look at the cake. Ice cream. Hurry. Hurry. Okay. It's banana time! This one is very hard to peel. This, seriously, it's not an ordinary banana. Like this one banana, like this one. This is banana. This is banana. See this? The size. Okay. So the technique. Shh, I have a secret. Dalawa lang tayo nakakaya. Isa lang pala yung nanonood. Ito na nga, ang chismis ko. Chismosa. Okay, so cut it in here and then, so this is how I fill this thing. And then, the middle in here. So use your favorite kanai, careful. And then side by side in here. So cut here and then the other side. So see, both sides in there. So here's the chismis that you're waiting for. Okay. Monkey don't like this banana. So put in the water with the salt. Okay. So this cassava in the Philippines, Kamoteng Kahoy. I know you guys are waiting for my chica, for my chismis. My chismis is this food. So I put water. Why I put water and salt? So this is gonna be too. They will be discolored if you did not put salt and water. So last time we visit our friend Greek food. So today let's try Spanish food. Bueno, vamos! So, I know you don't like banana, and you tried to sabotage me earlier. You hid my meat. Yes, you're scared of banana, isn't it?
Yep.
Okay, here we go. Rules in
I
here.
know the assignment.
You know your assignment? Okay, you have to taste it first. So this is Sancocho. This is Sancocho. Sancocho means sancochar.
Means banana hidden in meat.
No, it means sancochar, meaning in English, pan boil.
Also known as banana hidden in meat.
Banana soup is famous in some soup in Caribbean, like Puerto Rico, Dominican Republic, and
San Miguel. San Miguel.
Ecuador, Colombia, Cuba, and then this is similar. I think similar on where are you going?
I don't taste like banana. It's
Yep.
like beef.
That's beef. Oh, so this one they cook also many kinds of meat. Supposed to be like 7 kind of meat. It different country, different meat that they put in there. So in Puerto Rico, I think they use chorizo and pork and beef and chicken. So this time I only have 4 kinds of meat.
That's okay.
Next time, because this is Dominican Republic
all
Sancocho.
good.
So is it good?
Mm-hmm.
So you still alive? I can eat now.
Nice. Yeah, but hold it. Mine's still over in the pan. What did you do to mine?
Oh, in the Philippines, similar like nilagang baka. Nilagang baka in the Philippines, guys. It's good, but of course you don't want the banana. Remove that in there.
Please.
And we have half of this because I like this. That's mine too. Okay. You have the cassava on the banana. You don't have banana. This is good. This is good in rice.
Oh, I
Seriously.
bet it is.
Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Delicioso.
Mm-hmm.
Uishi.
Mm-hmm.
Comuendo feliz. Itadakimasu. Last time, a Greek food. Today, Spanish food. Yay! So today's recipe is not a fail again. It's banana time! So here our dad tried this. They don't like banana, but we try it usually. Can you try it? Just a sip. Come on. It's a soup.
Wait. Very sweet.
Very sweet?
Yeah, it's sweet.
It's okay.
I
right?
would eat it with rice.
Good. Seriously?
Look at your outfit.
I know, it's cute, right?
They put Nutella in between bread, right? But then they cut it with a glass like a circle, and then they fry it. It's like crunchy, and then it goes soft because of the bread, and then the Nutella is just so good. So good. So good. I feel good.
Ba 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 banana. Oh, what?